Where's Dad? Here he comes. Better go get him, Gus.
There we go, children. Now who's up for a bone? That's it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do the cars.
And she didn't want to come in?
Nope. I wish I had one of those to take a picture of that house down there where they block the side.
Oh, yeah.
I just don't know how to do it. I got one on that phone of mine, but
I can show you how. You guys gonna get a bone? You want a bone, Doc?
Doc always
Gus? Gus? You want a bone? You're taking a long time, Dad.
no. Okay, here we go. Here we go, children.
Oh, you should see them. They're cute. Marvin's being patient.
Here, Marvin, dog.
Good boy, Marvin.